Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the on-off switch in a Hoover Tumble dryer if it's damaged or no longer working correctly. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a socket set with a 7mm head. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. Next, we need to remove the top of the tumble dryer. And to do that, you need your socket set to remove the 3 screws that hold it in place. Then you can remove the water container by simply pulling it out of the front of the machine. Now you can remove the control panel. There are 2 screws holding it in place, one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side, both Phillips head screws. To remove the on-off switch, I'm going to remove all the electrical connections to it. And then I can turn the control panel over, remove the on-off button to ease the on-off switch out. Once the on-off button is removed, you can use your flathead screwdriver to just push in the tags either side of the on-off switch to remove it from the control panel. Now that you've removed the faulty on-off switch from your Hoover tumble dryer, you're going to need to grab yourself a new one. For that, you're going to need the model number of your appliance. This will ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular machine. If you're unsure about where to find the model number, check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. And to find brand new on-off switches, check out the link in the description below. To fit your new on-off switch, simply push it into place and make sure that these tags hold it in place on the control panel before then fitting the on-off button. Refit the electrical connections as you found them. In this case, it's the black connectors at the bottom and the white ones at the very top. Then you can refit the control panel. With the control panel in place, you can then refit the 2 Phillips head screws that held it in place. You can then put the water container back into position. And lastly, refit the top and screw it into position. So there we have it, how to replace the on-off switch on a Hoover tumble dryer. Now that your machine is up and running again properly, why not make sure it's as clean as it can be for the best possible results? Check out our video down here that will give you all the information you need on how to clean your tumble dryer successfully. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things repair guides, appliance maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.